Hello and welcome back to Eldeecodes. If you are new here, my name is Eldie and I love to code. I am passionate about turning ideas into real and functional solutions. I launched this particular series of Build with Eldeecodes so I can review the complete blueprint for turning ideas to reality. Ever had a brilliant app idea but you didn't know where to start, or maybe you were coding only to realize you were building the wrong thing? Here's the truth: whether you're a software developer or not, we all face this challenge. The gap between great project idea and a working product. That's the messy middle where most projects die. So this is why I want to reveal the necessary step you need to take before your very first line of code. And today we'll be starting with the very core concept. So at this very stage, you should be able to define your core concept, the reason or the reason why you are building this particular application. So the very first question you are going to ask yourself is the what question. What am I building? So you should be able to describe in one sentence what you want to build. And the next question you are going to ask yourself is, why am I building it? Is the pain point that I want to address using this project. So this is going to give you a clear understanding of why you are doing what you are doing. And the next question you are going to ask is, who am I building for? Who are my primary users? Who are my audience? Who is this application or website going to solve their problem? Who are there? So at this point, you should be able to know who you are building for. So on to the next, you are going to validate the problem. So first of all, by making research, you ought to make research to understand who your competitors are. Maybe this problem I'm trying to solve or address, has it been solved before? And you are going to make research, ask questions, and so much other things to get enough information about this particular thing you want to build. After this particular research, you should be able to see your product is solving a problem. So on to the next stage, you are going to plan the features and the requirements. So in this particular stage, you have to brainstorm. This is where you get to list all the features, all the necessary things you think your application is going to have. And you are also going to prioritize. I prefer using the Moscow method, which is the must-have feature, the should-have feature, and the could-have feature, and the won't-have feature. And you are also going to create user stories. So you should be able to have the empathy to put yourself, know what they are feeling and how to address their problem. And finally, you are also going to set what we call acceptance criteria, and if this project meets this, that means the project is done. So this is actually the first phase. So in the next video, I will be showing you the practical aspects of what we just discussed. Thank you for joining us and do have a lovely day.